see. Yeah, nice and no issues, as you can see. It's gonna look so good when I pull all this stuff off. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be painting my rims black. I have just the original BMW wheels, and I like black wheels. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it down, prep it, and permanently paint them black. None of that plastic dip stuff. So nothing wrong with it, but it's just I like permanent, and it seemed like that plastic dip stuff just kind of catches a lot of dirt, and it just kind of ends up looking terrible after a few months. But the paint should stay looking like paint. At least that's the plan. So but if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button while you're there. Just go ahead and knock that out, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so these are the wheels that will be getting painted black. I can't wait. I like the black wheels, so I'll be seeing if I can. This should come off, so I can take this out and actually just tape off all of the tires and everything like that. All right, so I got this here red Scotch-Brite, and I'm gonna actually use this to scuff up these so that it can actually adhere to it. So yeah. All right, so it says Mr. Clean. It's actually denatured alcohol. This is gonna help get all the grease and anything off of it. Denatured alcohol dries without a residue, so it's usually my go-to. Now I'm gonna tape it up, but first I'm gonna protect stuff behind there, and I'm going to snake this bag up in here. Now you're gonna want to let your brake calipers and whatnot cool off before you try doing this. Unless you just like the smell of you know, melted bag. Me personally, I don't. I used to smell it all the time with my lowrider. I used to pick up bags like crazy with that thing. Alright, so now that I have, as you can see, I now have the inside of this. Here, get a better look at it. So I got all of that protected now. None of that paint gonna go on there. Now I still have to, I'm gonna run some tape around in here, fold the tape over onto the tire, and I'm also gonna protect this section right here. That's gonna be really easy. So hold on one second. All right, so as you can see, got everything taped off. Got the center cap, got the valve stem, got everything protected here. Not too worried about over there. I doubt I make it that far. So what I'll be using is some VHT Wheel Paint. It's supposed to be good, 250 degrees, and chip resistant, all that good stuff. So this is what I'm going to use, and let y'all see what I'm doing real quick. All right, so we're going to do a light coat at first.
what I'm gonna do for right now. I'm gonna let that sit. It says
10 minutes between, so I'm actually gonna give it 15 minutes because it is like 68, 65, something around in that range. So I'm gonna give it a good chance to sit here for about 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back. All right, it's now time for the second coat. Another light coat here. I'm gonna shake it back up and get it ready to go. So I'm gonna try to hit up inside some of these holes here. There we go.
alright, so I'm gonna let that sit right there, and then I'll hit it with the next coat here in just a few minutes.
The final coat, and I'm ready to shake this thing up a good bit again, just make sure that it's ready to go. And I mean, it already looks so much better than it did. So I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can watch. And there you go. And it's time for the medium coat. All right, that's gonna be it there, barring any touch-ups that I have to make after I've moved the wheel around and you know, it's changed view. I've tried to look, oh, I see it right there. That's it. So at least, like I said, until I have any once I've moved it and everything like that, I'm gonna let it dry before I remove the masking, and then I just have 3 other ones to do. So yay. So it's gonna take a little bit, but it'll be well worth it when I'm done. It's gonna look so good. As you can see, it's already looking really good. So let's see. Yeah, nice and no issues. As you can see, it's gonna look so good when I pull all this stuff off. And I'll get back to y'all once it's dried a little bit, and we'll remove it. All right, so as you can see, I got this one done. I got the center cap off. I still have the stuff in the back there. I'm gonna let this thing fully cure before I come pulling that stuff through there. I may even try pulling it out through the back. But I also went ahead and got this one done. Not gonna be getting both sides done, but I just noticed something. Hold on one second. Alright, so I also got this one done too, and I'm not gonna be able to get the other side done because it's running out of daylight, and I want to be able to see exactly what I'm doing, and it'll start getting below the 60-degree mark as well. So this is where I'm gonna stop. Still got the center cap taped up. I'm gonna remove that once it's hardened some. I literally just got done painting this one. As you can see, it's still a little shinier than the other one, so it's still got a cure. And then I'll remove the stuff in the back, everything. Actually, I forgot to put the backing in on this one, and these right here. Whoopsies. Yeah, I'll try to remember to do that on the rest of them. Mistakes are made, but yeah, looks pretty good. I'll have to wait a little bit to wash it, but yeah, you got that look compared to that look. I mean, I definitely like this look better. Yeah, I don't like the mud on the right there, but yeah, the rest of it looks really good. Now I need to get this trim right here and paint that or something, or find like a replacement trim that's black, because I went ahead and took care of this one up here already at some point, a few months ago, back when it was warmer. And so gonna need to do that. And hell, I might even go ahead and paint these two right here, that one and that one. Go ahead and paint that. So we'll see. And if you haven't yet, go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit the like button, please. I would definitely appreciate it. See y'all next time, guys. Bye. See you next time.